Hello everyone. My name is Anay and this is the first video on phrasal verbs. As I told you in the introduction video, I'll be uploading 10 videos and I'll take 5 phrasal verbs in each one of them. So, let's start. So, I'll be providing 2 examples for each and every phrasal verb. So let's start. The first phrasal verb we are going to take is in a fix. The meaning of in a fix is in perplexity. The meaning of in a fix in Hindi is हैरान होना या घबरा जाना. The sentence example is I was in a fix. What to do when I lost the address of my friend in that strange city. The meaning of this sentence in Hindi would be मैं घबरा गया था कि मैं आखिर क्या करूं जब मैंने अपने दोस्त के घर का पता खो दिया था उस अजीबोगरीब शहर में. The second example for in a fix will be I was in a fix when I heard that John had lost all his money in gambling. So इसका मतलब होगा कि मैं हैरान हो गया था जब मैंने सुना कि जॉन अपना सारा पैसा जुए में लुटा बैठा है. So the second phrasal verb we are going to take is a fish out of water. The meaning of a fish out of water is a position which is strange and distasteful. So the meaning of a fish out of water in Hindi is एक अजीबोगरीब सिचुएशन में खड़े रहना या कहीं जाने से डरना या आपको थोड़ा अजीब लगना, स्ट्रेंज फीलिंग ऐसा. So the first sentence will be Abhipsha felt like a fish out of water when she found that she was an unwelcome guest. So the meaning of this sentence will be अभिप्सा को एक मछली जो कि पानी के बाहर है ऐसा लगा जब उसे पता चला कि वो एक बिन बुलाई मेहमान थी. The second sentence example for a fish out of water is when Danny first moved to a big city from the countryside, he was like a fish out of water. The meaning of this sentence in Hindi would be जब डैनी पहली बार गांव एरिया से बड़े शहर में गया तो उसे ऐसा लगा उसे एक मछली जो कि पानी के बाहर निकल गई है उसे ऐसा लगा. So the third phrasal verb we are going to take is in the long run. The meaning of in the long run is in the end. The meaning of in the long run in Hindi will be आखिरी में. The sentence example for in the long run is truth wins in the long run. मतलब इसका हिंदी में मतलब है सच्चाई आखिर में सच्चाई की ही जीत होती है. The second sentence for in the long run will be the move might be best for Reese in the long run. The meaning of this in Hindi is अगर हमने ऐसा किया तो ये रीस के लिए सबसे अच्छा होगा आखिर में. The fourth phrasal verb we are going to take is kith and kin. The meaning of kith and kin is relatives. The meaning of kith and kin in Hindi is everyone know rishtedari. So the first sentence for kith and kin is all his kith and kin were present at the time of his wedding. So the meaning of this sentence is उसके सारे रिश्तेदार वहाँ पर थे जब उसकी शादी हो रही थी. The second sentence for kith and kin is people are often more charitable towards strangers than they are to their own kith and kin. The meaning of this sentence in Hindi will be, लोग अनजान लोगों को ज़्यादातर बढ़ावा देते हैं या ज़्यादातर मदद करते हैं जितना कि वो अपने खुद के रिलेटिव्स को करते हैं. So the last phrasal verb for this video will be on the verge of. The meaning of on the verge of is on the brink of, and the meaning of on the verge of in Hindi is के कगार पे. So the first sentence example for on the verge of is, my dad is on the verge of retirement. So the meaning of this sentence in Hindi is, मेरे पापा रिटायर होने के कगार पर हैं. So guys, I hope you liked the video and it helped English or improved you in English or your communication skills a little bit. So thanks for watching and goodbye. I'll be uploading these videos on daily basis. Don't forget that. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an upload. And don't forget to like the video.